This exercise is called an adductor squeeze. Basically, it's an isometric exercise looking to work the inner muscles, your groin muscles. This is a great exercise to do following a groin strain injury. What you're gonna do, you're gonna lie down, you're gonna find a ball, it's fairly flat or even a couple pillows rolled up. You put it between your knees, lie down, core strong, and you just squeeze that ball. 3, 2, 1, and relax. You're gonna do that about 5 to 10 times. Careful that you don't squeeze the point where you cause pain. This is meant to be post-injury and a sub-maximal exercise. And so if you're making your pain worse by doing this, you're pushing too hard. You're gonna lie on your back. Your back is gonna stay flat. What I want you to do is as you raise your back up, you're engaging your core, tightening your glutes. And back down. You should not feel this in your hamstrings. You should not feel this in your low back. Your back stays flat, engage the core, going up, tighten your glute muscles, and you're gonna come back down. One more time, engage the core, flatten your back, tighten your glute muscles, and come back down. You're gonna lie on your side. Top leg is the one doing the work here. Your bottom leg is straight, top leg is bent, just like so. And all you're going to do is you're going to bring that top leg up and straight back. Nice and slow, you're gonna come back down. Again, slowly you go up and straight back and bring it back down. You're gonna feel this exercise in the glute muscles right over here.